So we're picking up the hop on, hop off bus. It's 2 streets down on the backside of Tokyo Station. It's 4,800 yen per person. There's 3 lines, red, blue, and green. And the ticket works all day for all 3 lines. So we're going to go start off with the green line. And then the red line is the biggest one. So we're going to go to Tokyo Tower and then hop back onto the red line and go from there. I love those trees. They're like a bonsai forest. It's really cool. So I got curious as to what that was. The national diet is Japan's bicameral legislature. It is composed of a lower house called the House of Representatives and an upper house called the House of Councilors. Both house of the Diet are directly elected under parallel voting systems. In addition to passing laws, the Diet is formally responsible for selecting the Prime Minister. The Diet was first converted as the Imperial Diet in 1889 as a result of adopting the Meiji Constitution. There you go. So their diet and our diet, 2 totally different things.